A logical argument is a claim that a set of premises support a conclusion. In other words, it is an if-then statement. If these things are true, then this thing is true. So we have two types of arguments that we're going to consider. We have inductive arguments and deductive arguments. An inductive argument is where we have specific examples that act as our premises, and we then try to make some general conclusion, something that's more general than those specific examples. Okay. A deductive argument goes in the opposite direction. We have a general statement or a list of general statements, and from that we want to make a specific conclusion in a specific situation. So let's look at just identifying some inductive or deductive arguments. So here, let's classify this as either inductive or deductive. When I went to the store last week, I forgot my purse. And when I went today, I forgot my purse. I always forget my purse when I go to the store. So first, let's identify here our premises. What are we using to make a claim? Well, what I'm using is that I forgot my purse last week, and I forgot my purse today. So these two situations of forgetting my purse. Our conclusion is I always forget my purse when I go to the store. So we started with a very specific example, two specific examples, and tried to make a general conclusion. So specific leading to general. Okay. This is an inductive argument. Let's look at another. Classify the following as either inductive or deductive. All cats are mammals, and a tiger is a cat. So a tiger is a mammal. So looking at our premises, okay, the established truths, all cats are mammals and a tiger is a cat. Okay, and then our conclusion is that a tiger must be a mammal. So the argument here, we're starting with, well, all cats are mammals. That's a very general statement. We're not just looking at specific examples here. That's a general statement. Okay, starting with a general statement. Okay, and we also have a tiger as a cat. Now this is an example. This might seem like a specific example. However, it's really talking about all tigers. Okay, all tigers are cats. And our conclusion is that a tiger is a mammal. That's a specific one example of a mammal. Now there are other types of mammals, certainly. But this is a specific application of cats being mammals, and so that is a specific conclusion. So from general statements to a specific conclusion, this is a deductive argument. Let's look at one more. Every day for the past year, a plane flies over my house at 2 p.m. A plane will fly over my house every day at 2 p.m. So here we have the premise, okay, is that every day for the past year, a plane flies over my house at 2 p.m. Okay? And then our conclusion is that this will happen every day, okay, with no time constraint on it, meaning it's going to happen forever. So here we're starting off with a list of examples, okay, that for the past year, every day, that's 365 examples. So we've got specific examples. And because of those specific examples, we're trying to conclude something more general. Well, because it happened for this last year, it's always going to happen. So that is a general conclusion. This is an example of a inductive argument because we're starting with specifics and trying to draw a more general conclusion from them.